one of the oldest churches that would be included. Of course, you have Bantayan, then you also have San Nicolas, then part of which would be Tartar or even Pulukoon. So these are some of the churches that we
Argao and Barili. Sorry, no, Barili, the 46. San Nicolas.
Six.
So the mission cross or the Jubilee cross that you're talking about, will it be accompanied? Will it will finally get out from Cebu? What will be the program?
The plan would be when the Jubilee Cross visits the parishes in the Archdiocese of Cebu, it will be the Commission on Youth that would take charge. And the moment it will visit the different dioceses and archdioceses, it will be spearheaded by the Episcopal Commission on Mission.
Some more questions, please?
Father. Father, since imong gisgutan ka ganina ang pagsangyaw, unyang pagsangyaw kay murag ni take out ng Dunisato ang Archdiocese of Cebu, are we planning i-adto sa siya sa laing mga diocese o laing mga lugar kinatong pagsangyaw? I-base man sa siya sa CBCP?
The pagsangyaw was envisioned first by Father Marvin together with the Council of the Laity, and its main purpose is to catechize our lay people, the Church of Cebu. No? So while it is also aired in other parts of the country, but its main purpose is really a catechesis on how we can celebrate most fittingly and fruitfully the 2021 celebration. And so in the context, of course, of our catechesis, formation and celebration and legacy, we have tried to explain especially the doctrine, and I thought, as Mid mentioned, it has started the other month, it continues, the other year, it continues this year, and even after 2021. It's appreciated especially by those who feel that we need more catechesis and the importance of the events that we are celebrating. But because incidentally, other dioceses ask for copies of pagsangyaw, the council consider it also most generous and essentially an opportunity to share, the reflections of pagsangyaw.